Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss or learn about the protein analysis through the force dictator scrubber. And first of all, you have to weight your sample, right? And for the protein analysis, you have to weight sample around 1 gram, right? After 1 gram, you have to fold this package into the tube. Now you see I have folded this package like this. This is on weighing paper, and this is the tube, digestion tube, right? Now I'm going to put my sample into the digestion tube like this. Now you see my sample is in the digestion tube, and now I have to put in the potassium sulfate and copper sulfate powder and the 15 ml of sulfuric acid in it, and later I will show you how it will look after addition of these. This one is potassium sulfate and copper sulfate. Copper sulfate 0.8 gram per sample and potassium sulfate 7 gram per sample. Now I have to fill this sample after weighing into these digestion tubes, right? And coming towards this chamber, first of all, this one is H2O and this one is sodium hydroxide. And after as I have my sample in this, first of all I weight my sample and then I put in this copper sulfate and potassium hydroxide, potassium sulfate. You can see right now. And meanwhile I have opened the hot plate and I am waiting for the 420 degrees centigrade, and later I will put all these tubes on this chamber for the digestion process to start with the attachment of this. Okay, this sample is dark brown. Okay, now put on the hot plate. Digestion. Okay. On this sodium hydroxide and water. So you can see digestion and fumes. Okay. After 1 hour I will close this. Switch on from back and start. This is auto.
Auto program.
And this,
Cooling.
yes. At what temperature?
10.
10. Set me 10. Okay. And on and 10 and then start process. Okay. Sample last. See, first up, down, and then put into the distillation chamber. This one is with boric acid and the indicator. Okay, and then start. This is distillation process is carrying out.